My review unit has the Intel Core i7 processor and 16 gigabytes of RAM. For my daily grind, it's perfectly fast. I lived in Chrome with 20-plus tabs, ran Spotify, Slack, and Lightroom for photo editing without any significant slowdown. The new Intel Arc graphics are also a huge step up. I could even do some light 1080p gaming in Counter-Strike 2, something my old Intel-based XPS couldn't dream of. The problem isn't the speed, it's the battery and heat. Under a moderate load, just Chrome and Slack, the fans would spin up and the bottom of the laptop would get noticeably warm on my lap. And the battery life? It's just not good enough. On a good day of mixed light use, I was hitting around 6 hours. As soon as I opened Lightroom or joined a video call, I could practically watch the battery percentage drop. This is not an all-day machine. In a direct comparison, the M3 Air runs circles around it, staying silent, cool, and lasting nearly twice as long.